Oh! Welcome back, YouTube. We have Jets franchise on the way, and we just made a trade here. I decided to get Rachaad White from Tampa Bay. Signed Braylon Allen, Isaiah Davis, and a couple 6th-round picks for Rachaad White and another running back, just in case one of ours gets hurt. But with all the running back swaps and Breece Hall being like our primary offensive guy and his wear and tear going up, I think it was good for us to get Rachaad White right there. He fits our system too. I know it's not a power back like Braylon Allen, but he really fits our system and kind of getting our players into open space more. And we'll use Sean Tucker as a power guy. I don't even know if he can really do it, but if he can't, he's getting cut. But after a crazy Week 2 win against Buffalo, we go into Week 3 at Tampa Bay. This is going to be another tough one. Maybe one of the toughest NFC teams besides Philadelphia, besides the Commanders, besides the Lions. It's going to be a tough one. Baker Mayfield and their high-power offense, Mike Evans. Not to mention they have a great defense. But we put up 41 last week, so I'm excited to see what we do. Let's jump into it.
Back in 2018 out of Oklahoma,
Baker Mayfield's now a superstar. He deserves it, though. Come on, Williams.
Here's 2nd and 5.
Oh, dude. Oh! Quinnen Williams picks it up. Quinnen. Oh, my dude. What a start. Baker Mayfield doesn't get down. We lay the boom. And Big Boy picks it up. Just like last week against Buffalo, everything went in our favor. Sitting here at like the 5-yard line. Breece Hall. First play, touchdown, baby. Oh, isn't that something? How lucky did we get to start? I mean, I feel like last week was just all luck. A little bit of skill, all luck. Everything went in our favor. Wow, what a hit stick. Tony Adams. But, like, to start the game off with a fumble at the 5, kicking the ball, get the ball at half, that is... Our defense, I should say, is keeping us in these games because I don't want to say we're getting lucky if we're creating turnovers. All right, let's go Sherwood. Sherwood had a hell of a game last week. Traded for a backup running back when I really should have traded for a fucking linebacker.
Splits a couple of defenders and completes it. And he's tackled after gaining a handful. 2nd and 6 coming up here.
2nd and 6 at the Jets' 12-yard line.
Baker now from the gun.
Come on, Sauce! You got, I mean, I know you're in zone, but there's no one in your zone. Get on them. Earn our points more. Come on, Breece. That was nice. Well, I mean, a nice 1 yard.
Second down coming up.
Stopped right at the line, but might as well have been a loss of yards as far as the offense is concerned. It's always humbling when you try force versus force, and the defense wins out.
That Lazard. Josh Reynolds. Oh, man. Nice. Jamal Dean jumped that nice.
Much better win.
Fields on 3rd.
Come on, Fields. Use that athletic ability. Fields. Inches. Dirty.
After him, well, it denies the first down.
And the QB keeps it on the
Give him chains. Come on.
and he's touched as they pick up.
And they move the sticks.
Play action, Fields. He rolls to his right.
Fields with a dot on the run.
Bit for midfield there, but stopped on his own side at the 49. That play gains 15, and it moves the sticks.
I may love watching a great thrower, but I love watching a well-done route.
Give it back to Breece Hall.
I think you're trying to stack them only to drop
Might have to
the
put...
hits, cut right inside.
I just realized we just traded for Rachaad White, and we're going to... I didn't even think about that until right now. Holy crap.
This is Hall.
Rachaad White needs to get a touchdown this game.
Now managed to contain him after about a 6-yard pickup. That's Antoine Winfield Jr. up to make that play. 7 yards.
Rachaad White's in. I was just about to sub him in.
This is 2nd
2nd and 3, we'll give it to him. We got it down to burn. Come on, man.
Nothing doing on second.
Fields, you got to hit a nice pass right here.
Fields out of the gun.
Garrett Wilson's wide. What a dot.
And this one's worked down to the 33 before being stopped. All right, set now. 1st and 10.
Get this run, get this read option rolling right here. Yep, Brees will take it. Oh, lost yards.
They went to the zone read and it winds up
Their sacks. The reality in a
We're going to put Rashid White in the game.
is you could be
Brees Hall's been touching the ball a lot.
and his motor never
Try to get him in the open space. Go.
and he naps
Thank you,
12
Brees.
yards there before going out.
ultimate team play because it takes all 11.
Blitz coming. He's wide open. Damn. Rashid White, you could have had your touchdown.
After a small game. 1st and 10. Here's Fields. Forced out to his right.
Nice. Oh, man, you got to hang on to that, Josh.
Down through the contact.
Once that quarterback broke the pocket, kind of turns into like a zone read option a little bit. Kate, you got a couple choices.
Honestly,
Yourself or try to force
no.
the throw. There was nowhere to go. He really
Honestly, I want
used his
our
legs.
best receiver, Garrett Wilson, right here, having a shot for a touchdown. He's our main guy.
It's Fields.
Yes!
Hauls it in for the New
Justin Fields, what a throw, man.
The Jets
Garrett Wilson,
here in the 1st.
he saves us a lot getting separation. Very great route runner.
Well, he definitely.
All right, we're going to sim. Stopped him. At the 1.
Drive starts with a carry by White. And he's not going to escape. They could not get
We
him.
just fucking got Reese.
Safety.
Okay, you
All right, we can't sim defense after giving up a safety.
1st down. Here's Baker. Completed over the middle.
Wide open, man. Man. That was quick delivery, too. Baker Mayfield did not give us any time to get to him.
between the two. To hit a curl route of that length, it takes great anticipation.
That just made me want to go to man-to-man.
Quarterback and the receiver on the other end finishing it, doing his job.
Come on, Sauce. Sauce Gardner actually, he's been disappointing me a lot this year. Williams, Bucky. Stopped him. That's second and 8. Not bad.
Them out to really very little statistically and identify what was needed to just make them a little bigger, stretch them further. Afterthought plays now. They could be
Yes! Shearwood! With a big play last week, and this week he comes up clutch. Wow. Man, this defense is legit. Imagine if we actually had, like, a decent linebacker, like a Bobby Wagner, someone like really old, and we could get for cheap a Levante David. I don't even know if he's in the league still. We could possibly be a playoff team. The way we've been playing, it doesn't seem realistic, but we beat the Bills we smoked the Bills last week. We're looking amazing here. We're looking like the favorites. On the road.
They fake the handoff. Now Fields.
Garrett Wilson. What a catch.
Already in enemy territory.
Yep. Garrett Wilson again. 8 yards.
Able to reach the
Get it back to Brees Hall. Come on. New set of downs. Yep.
And he'll get this down at the 33-yard line. 6 yards on the play and enough for a first.
It's a gain of 6. 1st down, Jets.
Resaw, Garrett Wilson, and Taylor look really good right here.
Shotgun snap to Fields.
Garrett Wilson again.
That's incomplete. Wanted
Brings up 2nd and 10.
Blitz. We got a blitz.
to escapes the pocket.
Justin Fields
He tucks it in.
uses the speed. That was scary.
To an end.
That could have been bad.
Field from that line of scrimmage.
I want to put. Might throw this up to Garrett Wilson in a high pass if it's one-on-one. See if he comes down with it.
First down from the red zone.
Sugar. Sugar!
And he'll go down. The Bucs brought pressure and got him.
Come on. Let's get Lazard a touch right here. Get open, Lazard.
Getting out to his left.
Damn. Got nothing, man.
He's going to go out with a pickup of 3.
And got himself out of bounds to avoid a hit. The only negative at all is he couldn't quite get the first down.
We have nobody open. I'm just trying to make something happen with Fields on his feet.
Been there before. You start scraping.
All right, we just sim defense, and we just let up a touchdown. Let's hope we can respond before the clock ticks. We have 3 timeouts.
Fields on first down.
Come on, Fields. You got a clean pocket, and you're throwing it that far. Hold on, that might be PI.
That came out just before that one fell incomplete. They may still get some big yards out of this one.
We're in field goal range already. 1 play.
And it's throwing on
You got a
first
blitz.
down.
Dude, this is the dumbest thing I've ever done ever.
We had it for
It was a screen pass, but I saw a blitz. No safety over top. I just wanted to throw it up one-on-one.
Is so impressive. Pocket free without drawing a flag or let him establish possession for the score.
They're sitting in zone.
So good.
Nice. Oh, Fields is getting beat up, honestly. Call a timeout.
The Jets take
I like that Garrett Wilson route. The main objective is to get the first, but he's a good...
escapes out to the left.
Doesn't say it's a good read, but we got to scramble out. Nice, Justin.
On that play and a good call nets him the first. Off the play fake, it's Fields. Bails out of the pocket
Go
quick.
upfield, go upfield. Yes, yes! Oh, he got fucking decked, but he held on to it.
Jets will add to their lead.
All right, back after the halftime show, and we're up with 24 points against the 2-0 Buccaneers, man.
Flush
What a
down
route!
pocket.
Josh Reynolds,
That's Cox, it's Reynolds.
toe tapper.
Definitely has it.
I'll put Garrett Wilson on the comeback.
And he ended it with a loss.
We have way too many vertical shots right here. Got a blitz on that left side. Garrett Wilson,
Makes the
first down.
downs offside. A 19-yard pickup, and that's going to move the chains.
I'll be honest with you, Kate. As you grow and develop as a quarterback, your arm gets stronger. These comebacks can be one of your favorite throws in your arsenal. Because if you trust yourself and you throw it before that defender breaks,
And he's going to take this across.
Wow.
New York.
Justin Fields is playing like a freaking superstar, man. Are the New York Jets going to be the revival of Justin Fields' career? He is playing pretty damn good for 3 weeks right now.
secure the catch, quickly
I mean, week 1 was shaky, but last week and this week,
that drive off and
it's looking like a freaking superstar.
First and 10, it's Mayfield. Defender
What a
right
swat!
does, and
I don't even know who that was. 27. That was a great play.
pass. Here's second down.
That was better than Sauce Gardner's been doing this year.
Throwing again is Baker.
Oh no.
To his running back.
Cisco.
Breaks the
Oh!
still going.
Bucky Irvin's nice, man.
Get it up to the 44. It's a 13-yard play, and that's enough for the first.
13 yards on the play. That's good for a first down.
Here's Baker.
Earwood!
Caught, nice game left side.
Baker Mayfield just threaded the needle right there.
Plenty of progress already.
He's a gunslinger, and he just proved it right there. That was a freaking laser beam.
off the snap.
First and 10 now from the 30.
I was going to say, I don't know what they're doing out of this formation.
And he's not gonna
But they ain't getting a damn yard.
tackle for a loss. We've got second and 11.
That's a pretty good look right there at the struggle offensive linemen have. Athletically, they're just not as fast as these linebackers.
Sending some pressure.
If they don't win early,
Yep, follow him over. Baker Mayfield's calling him out. He knows it's a blitz, but we're
on the line.
still sending it.
He's gonna go down.
It's now third down.
Baker now from
Throw
the
it towards Sauce.
finds him over the middle. And they catch him just in time.
What are they doing? I thought Baker Mayfield was going to scramble with it.
Maybe a yard.
All right, they want to go for it. I don't blame them. I would too, but I would not be line up and shotgun. And we have Shearwood on Mike Evans.
Fields going on fourth. Got a man. This is Evans. That's a Tampa Bay touchdown.
Let's go back to running this clock out. Come on.
Start this one out with Hall.
We got green grass. Go. Go, Brees Hall. Use that speed.
And he's out of bounds.
Damn, he's quick.
Great play there. Up on the
What a
play.
start, man. Like,
He'll give the Jets a first down.
our offense is completely dominating. And I think that's a real big factor to our offensive line. And, I thought our outside receiver was B, not X.
First down. Gonna wind up losing yards on this play.
I'm gonna guess at some point.
Now, we have a really young offensive line that is really nice to have in a franchise. And they've been playing outstanding right now. Outstanding for the first 3 games of the year.
Fields buying some time right.
Justin Fields, that's the type of shit I need you to hit.
But problems on
I'm liking that Josh Reynolds route. This might just be dumb punting Lazard on a stop right there, but
Fields out of the gun.
I'm feeling it. I'm feeling a run.
He was right.
Oh, 1 yard.
And he has it down officially to the red zone at the 20.
Legs. He's picked the right moments, picked his spots, and that's.
I thought we were going to our bread and butter, the QB sneak, but I think they're going to contain that pretty well. Yes! 20 yards! Brees Hall!
Touchdown, New York.
Up. Stopped him on 4th down. Let's go. Tell me how in the world we're scoring 38 points with the Jets.
Action, Fields. Headed out right.
Oh, only if I got by. Only if I slipped by. We had nobody.
That's just the case where you're trying to make something when there really is nothing there. There just wasn't an opening for him to work with, and he was.
Come on, Justin.
Get what he could.
And all around.
Rashid White back in the game.
Out of the gun, they'll look to throw. On the move, headed right.
We just got fucking knocked out of field goal range. All right, let's see how Tampa wants to play this.
Running right, it's Irving.
They want to go in the 4th quarter down by a lot and losing a yard.
It's second down
So
now.
Tampa's going to need a touchdown, 2-point conversion, 31, and then
Mayfield now from the
a
gun.
touchdown.
He's got it to
Well, a stop and another touchdown.
is caught.
So they need this 4th quarter to go every
A lot of work done as they
which
try
way
to
for them to
keep it
work
very
to
short.
win.
Mayfield keeps it
Ah, them sneaky bastards pulled that move off.
for a first down.
And the pressure, man.
Drive like mad, push like crazy, and create that space for.
Jeez, man. How, like,
Route complete.
it's a run. Oh, what a block.
Finding room past the 45. And he's shotgun snap for Mayfield. That's complete downfield to Godwin. And he's got them quite the gain here, partner, as he finally is brought to a stop. Now they'll hit the line just outside the red zone following that big play.
Tell you what, Baker,
Here's Baker.
well, besides that,
Quick throw.
Baker was really moving down the field pretty damn nice this possession.
Interception in this game, partner, and throws like that are going to find him another if he isn't careful.
I feel like Mike Evans is doing a post. Nope. Baker's taking it. Lay him out. That should have been a fumble.
4 downs now to get in. Here's first and goal.
Bucky Irvin's breathing heavy.
Working inside the red zone.
They're dumping it off right to him.
And that's a Tampa Bay touchdown. They fake the handoff. Now Fields.
Garrett Wilson, comeback.
That one's cut
Oh my good, dude. Garrett Wilson on the comeback route is nice.
before he's taken down at the 47. It goes as a gain of 19 yards.
Another thing to add, can't leave it out, is Justin Fields is hitting him right on the money on them comebacks.
This one's a little touch pass
Nice.
to his man coming across.
We can take that. That's
There, partner, but no result.
Vita Vea's out. That's huge, especially in the 4th. Get this run game going.
We'll get a stoppage now. Looks like we have someone banged up after that run in need of some attention.
All right, we got Rashid Wright in there.
This run only gained a yard.
Rashid White, I'm
It's
sorry.
2nd and 9.
Come on.
It's White on the give.
That makes up for the safety, just that alone.
A 9-yard gain and good for a first down.
A gain of 9 yards. First down, Jets.
Play
Oh, they're
action
coming in
now
with a
with
blitz. They're
Fields.
not. And throwing it deep in double coverage.
And he's there to send that one away incomplete. Took his shot at 6 that time. So it'll be second down.
He was covered by Antoine Winfield.
Out of the shotgun.
They're sending a blitz.
Got to him right as he threw it, and it falls to the ground. He's been a frequent target throughout this game, Bronk. We've seen that coverage.
All right, this is a
little bit
big
more
third down right
every
here.
time the ball's thrown his way.
Big third down. Come on, Justin. Come on, Justin. We have nothing.
And they get to him way behind the line on this one and take him down.
Oh,
Right side.
Quincy Williams with the boom.
After a good
It's the biggest drive of the game. I think Tampa Bay is going for it. All 4 downs here.
Irving on the inside.
Oh my goodness.
Has good room at the 35. And all
This is looking bad.
22-yard line before he stopped. That'll go for an 18-yard gain. And that's good for a Buccaneer first down.
First and 10 at the 42-yard line.
Tampa Bay's finally got a rhythm in an off. All right, we got a lucky stop there. They got a rhythm in offense right now. Baker Mayfield's looking pretty damn good.
First, it's second down.
Even when he has nothing, his legs are looking good. Bucky Irvin's looking good, taking
Man
off
in motion right.
the check downs off Mayfield and.
Second down. Mayfield to pass.
Oh my!
Passes that should have been intercepted. 2 great chances to take it away. Both of them dropped, Bronk, and now they stay.
Sherwood needs to get them hands fixed up. That should have been the icing on the cake for the game.
Looking to
Get in
throw.
there.
He had it for a moment.
Fuck are you doing,
Played a jar.
Cisco?
Complete. Intended target there was Mike Evans. So that brings up 4th and long.
We just got robbed of 2 interceptions. That was absolutely ridiculous. Come on, Sherwood.
Desperation time here.
Dude.
That one's good to Godwin. And they make the tackle at the 38. They've got 3 timeouts and the 2-minute warning left for them. We've got first and 10.
First and 10
Come
at
on,
the
dude. This is some fucking bullshit.
He'll dump this one off to his running back complete. And they haul him down just a buck. Buccaneers, 8 points behind.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I got great faith in this defense.
Hits him on the out route. And they catch up to him. Setting up to pass.
Oh!
And this is
Oh my goodness! This has to be scripted.
a much better field position.
To get down near the goal line, and then you've got to take care of the football. You can't.
Holy crap. Baker.
Those defenders
Dude, it looked like Baker just like
exactly what they
said, I'm
did.
done with it. You got me.
Points off the board.
Dude, I thought we were done. I thought this was going into OT.
Defensive stand might have been the final effort needed to seal away the victory, Bronk, but can't quite take off the pads just yet. Offense has to finish this one out.
Yeah, a few things here, Kate, to keep in mind, right? You got to slow the game down as a quarterback. Take every second off the clock. If you're handling the ball, you go.
Here, baby, 1 first down, and we
And you make sure your defense doesn't
go back to New York with a W.
just did there.
We drive down south and we take them out and head back to our hometown, baby.
By the defense, they're second.
That's another run, or eventually.
All right, we can take a sack
Play action
more than a
pass
damn
off
incompletion right here. That is the truth.
To pass it here.
Get it to him. Thank you.
They'll check this
Thank you.
complete to the fullback. And they
We're walking away with another win. Moving on to 2-1. We have taken down the Buccaneers and the Buffalo Bills.
That's all they had. So the offense
This just blows my mind. And the way these games, I mean, Buffalo was insane because everything went our way. Almost like this game, but Tampa Bay was itching back.
victory formation here. Looks like they're gonna
This
take it
defense-
first down.
I mean, we have 30 points, but it feels like this defense is really legit. Sauce Gardner's not even doing the biggest impact that he really should be doing. But holy crap, man. We get another W, move on to 2-1. I can't believe it. I think we got to make a trade for a linebacker, dude. I think we are going to be trying to make a playoff push with how this season has been going.
Goes to a knee. It's time
We have
to
taken
go.
out 2 teams that should be making it possibly to the Super Bowl. And we just put up 38 points both games. Our offense doesn't even seem to be an issue, as we just traded for Rashid White. That's going to help us out, I believe. He didn't even have a great game, but I think this defense has so, like, top 5 in the league potential. I'm not pulling your leg. I really believe this defense, if I make 2 trades and we don't have much draft picks to work with, I really believe this team could make a playoff push around 9 to 10 wins. Wow. All right, YouTube, there you have it. We have the Jets going at 2-1, man. I would have never thought this. I don't think it's going to be like this in real life. Justin Fields with a game like he's been playing. I think his career completion percentage is 61, and that's what he throws here today. Baker Mayfield way outshines Justin Fields, but crucial mistakes, crucial turnovers. It makes all the difference in the game. Justin Fields was more careful with the ball. Our defense came up absolutely huge when it needed to come up big, and yeah, man, New York's gonna ride out of here with 2 wins and 1 loss and move on to the next one. Appreciate you guys. Please leave a comment. Let me know what you're thinking, what direction you want this franchise to go, because right now I am making a playoff push. I'm the captain of the ship. You're all just watching unless you want to stick up and say something. But I really do appreciate you for watching. Thank you. I will check out the comments and everything. Best of luck. Have a good week, guys.